Hello everyone and welcome to my channel once again. Today we are doing the two sum, which is the problem number 1, lead code problem number 1. So let's check what the problem statements say. Here is given an array of integer nums and an integer target. Return the indices of two numbers such that they add up to the target. Means in simple way I can say there is a given an array which is called as nums and here is a target. Okay, so we have to find that the two indices of the element which is equal to the given target. Okay, there's a condition. You may assume that each input would have an exactly one solution. Means if I get first, if let's write 1 comma 2 comma 3. Suppose this is my given array. If I search for 9, okay, what will the probability? Let's check another one. Okay, it makes easy for me to make you feel understand. That is 1 plus 8 equals to 9, the first probability. Okay, then another chances, what would be? Okay, wait this thing. Okay, 6 plus 3 means 3 plus 6 equal to 9. Okay, 4 plus 5 equal to 9, right? By doing this, here it say we will return only two indices. Means if I get 1 plus 8 equal to 9, then I have to stop here. I have to, in coding way, I can say it, I have to break from here or return the value only this, not this one. Okay, and there is one more thing. I will solve this problem in two ways. First, you normally use the brute force approach, means this in simple way. How can we do this? And in second term, I will use another way which is bit easier to do this, but you will need to learn and specific such kind of algorithm. If you don't know, I will try to make you feel easy to feel understand. Let's start. Let's see what is the example. Given examples. Here is here is an array nums. It is 2, 7, 11 and 15. The target is 9. Okay. What is the output? 2 and 7. 2 plus 7 equals to 9. So it gives the indices. Means it is a zero based indices. Okay. Because num0 plus nums1 equals to 9, we will return 0, 1. So let's start. What is the brute force approach? Okay, int n equals to nums dot length. Here I am storing the total length of the nums array in a variable n. Then I will start a for loop. I equals to 0, I is less than the n, which is the total length of the nums array. Then I will again run another for loop. Let name as j equals to 0, j is less than n, and j plus plus. Okay, if nums of I plus nums of j equals to my target. If I get the target value, then what I have to do? I will store, because I have to return the indices of I and j. Okay, now I will create another array. Let name as answer, and where I will store only the indices I comma j, and then I have to return. What I have to return? Return the answer. What if I am searching from the 9 and in this array and there is 9 is not present, means the sum of two number is not equal to 9. Suppose here is 8. 2 plus 8 is not equal to 9, no? So what I will to return? and I will return value null, or you can say -1. Okay, let's check if it runs or not. Okay, it only proves this first case. Oh, I didn't cover this second one. Okay. If you did you guess what is my problem? Here, j equal to 0. I started I equal to 0. Already I covered the first element. Then I am going to again by doing this. So I have to using this I plus 1. I hope that make it feel right. Hmm. Gotcha. So it gives all the correct answer of the test case. Okay, you can submit this if you want. Let's see. Correct. Okay, but so I want to do, you will do in a better way. Let's cancel it out. We are using hash map. Okay, what is hash map? If you don't know, let's search it. What is hash map? Hash map. You can go to Git for Geeks or any. Let me go to the Java T points. Okay, okay, gotcha. So hash map is basically a data structure which store the value. Sorry, so it's which store the data in a key value pair. Means what? It's like a dictionary. You will search from a word and it has a different meaning of that. Okay, everyone has a roll number and another name. Name can be duplicated but not roll number. Means key is unique. Key is always become unique and your value may be a duplicate. Okay, let's start by using the by solving this problem in a hash map. Okay, you have to first write hash map, then this is the data type. What will be the data type of your key and value? Okay, it will be the integer type. Already question, according to the question it is given, it is both of them are integer. Let name as the hash map as map new hash map. Okay, so what we will do, we'll create another array where we store the answer. In previous type we already created the answer type, so let name as here result equals to new integer, and it has only two spaces, which it only contain I and j value, not more than that. Okay, and once again for loop int I equals to 0, I is less than the total length, nums dot length I plus plus if map dot contains key. This is the keyword by the hash map, nums of I. I will create a variable index where I will store the index of that value. Next map dot get nums of I, and here result at 0 equal to index plus 1 and result of 1 equals to I plus 1. Then I have to break it. Okay, I have to stop that. Okay, map dot. Why I'm using this map dot put? Okay, I will explain you later. Let me write this. If target, sorry, map dot put is target dot nums of I, comma I. At the end, I have to return the result. Let me check, does I write correct or wrong? Okay, I know why it is giving me. Let's cut it. It's giving the correct answer. Okay. So what I did in here, basically I created hash map. This is the format of creating a hash map. Here is this is the data type of key and value. What type of data type I am using? That is the integer data type. The data type of the key is integer and the data type of the value is integer. I am naming it as map and new hash map. This is the format. You have to write this. Okay. Then I create a result name of array where I will store the indices of I and j, which is equal to the target. Okay. Then I start the for loop for int I equals to 0 from 0 to nums dot length, whatever the length is. Okay. So I first check if map dot contains key nums of I, means at nums of 0. Okay, does my target is present or not? If not, then I come here else. So map dot put target minus nums of I, means whatever my target is 9 minus nums of I. What is the nums of I? Is 0. What answer is 9. Here I write the I, means at I at 0, does 9 is present or not? If not, then I will increase the value at I plus plus at so and so. Okay. When I get the value that map dot contains the key nums of I, then I will get the value like in that case is in this case. Okay, wait a second. In this case, what I get, if 9 minus like 2 equal to 7. Okay, then I check here if 7 is present or not in the array. If yes, then it will continue like this. If no, then it again do the same thing, increasing the value of at index, that will be 7. Okay, 7 is present. If here 7 is present, so it index, go to here and check whatever the index is of that element. Okay, map.get element, it get the index of that element. It will first store the index at result of 0, and then it will store the result of 1, means the another number, means what I get here, 2 plus 7 equal to 9. Okay, so in result 0, it will store 2, sorry, index of 2 which is what? Which is 0, and in result 1 it will store. Okay, wait a second. It will store index of 7, which is basically 1, and it will break from here, and the whole for loop will be end, and it already stored the value in result, so at last it will return the value in result. Let's submit this button. Okay, at line number 20 I extra. Oh, okay, that's it. It is the better solution than previous one. I think you check it. Thank you. I hope you will understand. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment box. Thank you.